Hi, today we are making tricolor namak para or nimki for the festive season, and let's go ahead and prepare the recipe. We'll go ahead and make the colors first using spinach, beetroot and turmeric, and then we're gonna go ahead and mix all the flour and salt, sesame seeds, and just divide it into 3 equal parts. Now let's go ahead and mix the color in the divided parts. So we're going to take one part and mix the spinach, make the spinach dough, and then the other we're going to put the beetroot juice and make the beet pink dough. And the last one we're going to add turmeric and make a yellow turmeric dough. Now we're going to go ahead and make the namak para. So we're going to take the dough and flatten it and make it into a round flat disc, cut it into long pieces and then cut it into tiny squares or diamond shapes. We're going to go ahead and do the same for all the 3 colors: spinach, beets and turmeric. You could keep the size as per as you want, but if you keep it smaller, they're gonna cook up easy and quick. If you're gonna keep it thick and long, then they're gonna take little extra time to cook properly. Most of the cooking is done on a medium to low flame to make sure that it's cooked evenly inside as well. So once we have all this ready, let's go ahead and heat the oil and cook our namak paras. We're gonna make the spinach namak para and then the beetroot namak para, and lastly we're gonna make the turmeric namak para. Once they are all cooked, we're gonna keep them in a dish cloth or a paper bag just to remove all the excess oil, and then go ahead and serve it on a beautiful platter, or we can even store it for later use. This makes a perfect Holi snack. And go ahead and find the recipe details at www.easycookingwithmolly.com. Thank you and wish you guys a happy Holi.